Sewer camera inspection at 28590 North Dolomite Lane in Santan Valley. 2 ABS cleanouts at the front of the property here, on the north side of the property, right by the sidewalk, between the home and the street. We're going to go down the furthest north, clean out first. I do have some water in the kitchen sink at the moment, so we should see some water flowing in the system. And that opening on the top of the pipe there is the other clean out, which will take us the other direction. You can see a little bit of buildup on the wall there, some gunk. Check the connections, make sure all the pipes are lining up and we don't have anything offset or misaligned. Do have a little bit of buildup on the inside walls of the pipe. That can be taken care of with a process called hydrogen maintenance. A qualified plumber can basically power wash the inside of your pipes. Keep all this debris down. Another connection there, 40 feet. Connection 41 feet. There you can see some more of that gunk that's built up on the bottom of the line there. We're going to break a little bit of it up with the camera, but there's still going to be some residual that should be cleaned out. And then this goes up to a vent stack on the second floor. That's where the second floor drains go down into the drain system there. Just a few feet to the side and collect another drain from the second floor. Yeah, definitely recommend hydrojet maintenance. Clean out this line. It'll help keep the line flowing freely. Keeps it smelling better. Prevents any future clogs from happening in this area. You can see all this stuff that's following the camera now that we broke up. So now we're going to go down that other pipe and go out to the city connection. See some of that debris we broke up getting out of the system there. So now in the yard we're looking for the same things, but we're also looking for cracked pipes, bellies where the pipe is settled, which looks like we have right here at 17 feet. Right before it connects into the green pipe. So there's probably a little lip there. So this area might collect debris, might cause you some issues down the road, but typically they don't get repaired in that situation unless it's causing continual issues. And we have another AC connection there at 25 feet. I'm going to flush a toilet. Maybe we can get some of this stuff out of the line. Alright, hopefully we got all the gunk out of the line. And that's your connection to the city right there at 51 feet underneath the street. If you have any questions about the home inspection or sewer camera inspection, please get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan. I would just recommend some hydrojet maintenance. We got this minor belly here that's going to be ongoing. It's going to cost a lot of money to fix that, and honestly most plumbers just tell you to keep an eye on it. If things back up, at least you know where the problem is probably at. But this is going to be in your front yard, kind of where that tree used to be planted. Congratulations on your new house.